मुझे कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला। मुझे केवल इस सरकार की कमीशन मिली थी। मुझे एक शपथ लेनी पड़ी थी कि मुझे जहां भेजा जाए, जमीन से, समुद्र से, हवा मार्ग से मैं जाऊंगा। अगर मुझे मरना पड़े तो मैं मरूंगा। मैंने बहुत लोग मरते देखे हैं और मैं हाथ जोड़ के आपसे विनती कर रहा हूं, आप प्लीज, आप जो कुछ भी करती हैं, आप कम से कम प्लीज मेरी सुन लीजिए, प्लीज सुन लीजिए इस बुड्ढे को। मुझे सुन लीजिए आप हमारे जवानों की कदर करिए जो मर गए हैं। ओके, आप उनको कुछ नहीं दे सकते, कोई पेंशन नहीं चाहिए, वो मर गए हैं।
आइडिया कि हम
आप समझ गए
की कदर,
आप ये कदर तो कीजिए, क्योंकि
डाइड फॉर दिस फ्लैग। मैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूं
आपसे कि हम शहीद हुए।
ये मेरे लिए थ्योरी नहीं है, मेरे लिए थ्योरी नहीं है। और मुझे आज बड़ा दुख हो रहा है कि हम अकेले रह गए हैं, कि हम फौजी अकेले रह गए हैं रोने के लिए।
आप अकेले नहीं है। नो, आप अकेले नहीं है। जीडी बख्शी, लेट मी टेल यू, जीडी बख्शी, I want to say this to GD Bakshi. GD Bakshi, आप अकेले नहीं है। Let me tell you that the silent majority of decent people in this country, the silent majority of decent people in this country, we don't wear patriotism on our sleeve. We are not scoundrels that we are called because we simply believe in pride for our own nation, because we say we look at the tricolor with the same pride that you, a soldier who was commissioned there and was prepared to give his life up for the nation. We may not be soldiers, but we are not scoundrels. Yes. And there is an attempt today to say that you are alone. Who says you're alone, GD Bakshi? Every single right-thinking Indian is with you tonight. As far as this argument, as far as that, so you must not feel emotional about this, because we do as well. And because there is an attempt to typify, I say tonight, GD Bakshi is the face of the Indian patriot, not the scoundrel at Patiala House Courts. GD Bakshi and soldiers like him are the face of the Indian patriot, not OP Sharma. And let all those people who want to do that stereotype because it is convenient for them, GD Bakshi, to do that. They want to get away by doing that. Let them know that you are not alone, because people of this country have spoken up. And as far as Ajay Alok is concerned, I want to tell you, Ajay Alok, this argument of extreme nationalism. Let me tell you this. Is it extreme nationalism to ask you to stand up in the beginning of a movie screening in a theater and sing and stand for the national anthem for 52 seconds? For 52 seconds, is it extreme nationalism? No, is it extreme nationalism to ask you to stand up in attention to the national anthem played on Republic Day and Independence Day?